Welcome to Harvesting Tools and Equipment in the Harvesting 101 module at Hemp Temps University. In this lesson, we'll equip you with the necessary tools and gear essential for mastering the harvesting process in the cannabis industry. Throughout this course, we'll delve deep into the world of harvesting, ensuring you are fully prepared for the tasks ahead. Let's explore the tools and equipment crucial for a successful harvest, allowing you to navigate through this and all related modules with confidence. In this lesson, we'll explore the tools and gear you'll need to tackle the harvesting process like a pro. From sharp scissors to sturdy gloves, each item serves a vital role in ensuring a successful harvest. Essential tools and equipment for harvesting. When it comes to harvesting cannabis, having the right tools at your disposal can make all the difference. From trimming scissors to gloves, this list covers the must-have items you'll need to get the job done efficiently. These tools are your best friends in the field, allowing you to trim and collect buds with precision and ease. Trimming scissors, shears. Straight blade scissors, ideal for precision trimming. Curved tip blade scissors, provides ergonomic comfort for extended use. Spring-loaded scissors, reduces hand fatigue during repetitive tasks. Pruning shears. Bypass pruners, offers clean cuts suitable for delicate trimming. Anvil pruners, provides more force, ideal for cutting thicker stems or stalks. Ratcheting pruners increases cutting power with multiple squeezes, reducing hand strain. Gloves. Nitrile gloves, resistant to chemicals and oils, suitable for handling cannabis plants. Non-latex gloves. Latex gloves are not allowed in the cannabis industry as it causes allergic reactions to people with latex sensitivity. Vinyl gloves. Economical option, but less durable than nitrile gloves. Harvesting containers. Large capacity for collecting trimmed buds. Easy to clean. Bins. Stackable containers for organizing harvested material. Bags, sealable and portable, for storing trimmed buds during harvesting. Proper handling and maintenance of tools. Now that you've got your tools sorted, it's crucial to know how to care for them properly. Regular cleaning, sharpening, and lubrication are key to maintaining the longevity and effectiveness of your equipment. By taking good care of your tools, you'll ensure they're always ready for action when you need them most. Regular cleaning. Use isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth or blade to remove resin buildup from scissors and shears. Soak pruning shears for thorough cleaning, especially after each use. Allow tools to air dry completely before storage to prevent rust. Sharpening. Use a sharpening stone or honing tool to maintain sharpness. Follow the angle of the existing blade when sharpening to preserve the blade's integrity. Sharpen blades regularly to ensure clean cuts and prevent plant damage. Lubrication. Apply a few drops of lubricating oil to the pivot point of pruning shears for smooth operation. Avoid over-lubrication, as excess oil can attract dirt and debris. Storage. Store tools in a clean, dry environment to prevent corrosion. Hang scissors and shears vertically, or store them in a case to prevent damage to the blades. Keep pruning shears in a closed position when not in use to protect the blades. In Harvesting Overview, we covered the basics of harvesting, but now it's time to dive deeper into the techniques used to bring in the crop. Whether you're hand harvesting or using a machine or a hybrid of both, every method has its differences and benefits. By understanding the ins and outs of different harvesting techniques, you'll be able to adapt to whatever approach has been adopted by the client and provide value to a variety of facilities, regardless of how they've decided to harvest. There are essentially two varieties of harvesting, hand and machine harvesting, and often farms will employ a hybrid scenario using both. Hand harvesting. Selectively trim buds by hand, allowing for careful removal of mature flowers while leaving foliage intact. Ideal for small-scale operations or cultivators who prioritize quality over quantity. Requires attention to detail and patience, but offers greater control over the final product. Machine harvesting utilizes automated equipment to cut and collect buds efficiently. Suitable for large-scale operations with high-volume production needs. May result in a less manicured appearance compared to hand harvesting, but offers increased speed and productivity. Introduction to drying racks, trays, and post-harvest equipment. Once the harvest is complete, the work doesn't stop there. In this section, we'll introduce you to essential post-harvest equipment, including drying racks, trays, and storage containers. Proper post-harvest processing is crucial for preserving the quality and potency of your crop, so it's essential to have the right tools on hand. Drying racks. Mesh or perforated trays allow for airflow around the buds, promoting even drying. Stackable design saves space and facilitates organization during the drying process. Consider adjustable racks to accommodate different batch sizes and drying conditions. Trays, flat surfaces for arranging harvested buds during trimming and processing. Choose food-grade trays to ensure safety and cleanliness. Consider trays with raised edges to prevent spillage and facilitate handling. Post-harvest equipment. Trimming machines automate the trimming process, reducing labor costs and improving efficiency. Curing jars, airtight containers for curing harvested buds, preserving flavor and potency. Humidity packs. Maintain optimal humidity levels during curing to prevent overdrying or mold growth. Storage containers. Sealable containers for storing trimmed buds, protecting them from light, air, and moisture. Understanding these basic concepts and methods is essential for mastering the art of harvesting cannabis. In the following lessons, we'll examine into each topic, providing you with the knowledge and skills needed to become proficient in this critical stage of cultivation. Now that you've grasped the fundamentals of harvesting tools and equipment used in the cannabis industry, congratulations on completing harvesting tools and equipment. Now, let's seamlessly transition into our next essential lesson, harvesting techniques. In this upcoming session, we'll dive deep into the intricate methods and strategies used in the harvesting process of cannabis. From hand harvesting techniques, where we'll discuss the importance of selective trimming and monitoring trichome development, to the efficient machine harvesting methods, where we'll explore the benefits and drawbacks of automated harvesting equipment. Understanding these tools is crucial for optimizing efficiency. Don't forget to reinforce your learning by taking the quiz while the information is fresh in your mind. Let's continue our journey of discovery in the fascinating world of cannabis cultivation.